So, I just had one swarm, and I either have another. I think they're coming back. No, they all went back to the original box. This is craziness. Maybe they just wanted to take a... I don't know. Well, I'm pretty much convinced this is all them coming back. Maybe they missed their home. This is craziness. So the last time I went closer, I got stung right between the eyes. So what do? I go closer again to look. They're all going back in. Crazy. They swarmed. Everybody's going back. Maybe they missed their home. I got a beer in my ear.